Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I'll be answering the question, can you use wired headphones using jack input? Let's begin. Now, on the new Samsung S25 Plus, sadly you cannot use a jack input. As you can see, they are normally located on the bottom of your screen or at the top. And we have simply no jack input. So if you want to actually use a wired headphones, you will need to use them via USB-C cable or via Bluetooth. But sadly there is no other option to actually just plug in a jack plug onto Samsung S25 Plus. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing. Thanks for watching.